Have you ever wondered what would happen if a major investment platform like Spaceship Invest were to suddenly collapse? It's a scary thought, but it's important to consider the potential consequences. Understanding Spaceship Invest. Before we dive into the worst-case scenario, let's quickly recap what Spaceship Invest is. It's an innovative investment platform that allows you to invest in various asset classes, including stocks, property, and cryptocurrency. The platform simplifies investing by offering a user-friendly interface and automated portfolio management. But, like any financial institution, it's not immune to risk. The worst-case scenario, a complete collapse. If Spaceship Invest were to go completely bust, it would be a major blow to the investment industry. Here's what could happen. Investor losses. Direct loss of investments. The most immediate impact would be the loss of your invested funds. This could include both your initial investment and any potential returns. Impact on future financial goals. A significant loss could derail your long-term financial plans, such as retirement or buying a home. Market disruption. Loss of confidence. A high-profile collapse could erode investor confidence in the entire investment industry, leading to decreased market activity. Ripple effect on other platforms. The failure of one major platform could trigger a domino effect, with other similar platforms facing increased scrutiny and potential withdrawals. Regulatory scrutiny. Increased oversight. A collapse would likely lead to increased regulatory scrutiny of the entire fintech industry, including stricter regulations and compliance requirements. Potential legal action. Investors may initiate legal proceedings against the platform's management and other relevant parties. Protecting yourself as an investor. While no investment is entirely risk-free, there are steps you can take to mitigate your exposure. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes and platforms. Understand the risks. Before investing, thoroughly research the platform and its investment strategies. Be aware of the potential risks involved. Monitor your investments, keep track of your portfolio, and stay updated on market trends. Consider insurance. Explore investment insurance options to protect your assets against unforeseen events. Emergency fund. Maintain a healthy emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. The importance of financial literacy. Ultimately, the best way to protect yourself is to become financially literate. Understand the basics of investing, risk management, and financial planning. By educating yourself, you can make informed decisions and navigate the complex world of finance with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.